Hi, today we're going to review the features and benefits of the Phoenix 44-inch laminator. The Phoenix is designed to use pouch boards and roll films to mount and laminate inkjet prints. The rolls are silicone coated for easy maintenance and measure 45 inches to accommodate prints up to 44 inches wide. The Phoenix's clear safety cover quickly opens and closes for ease of use. The Phoenix uses standard 110 volt power and uses a 20 amp plug as shown here with one flat prong. The laminator draws 17 amps and must be plugged into an outlet connected to at least a 20 amp breaker. If you don't have a 20 amp outlet, check your circuit breaker or speak with your licensed electrician to make sure you have the proper power. The Phoenix controls feature easy to use push buttons. There are two heat settings, and when you turn the Phoenix on, the heat is off. To turn the heat on, press either the pouch or roll button. If you're going to use pouch board or pouch film, use the pouch setting, and if you're using laminate rolls, press the roll button. You can also operate the Phoenix with the heat off if you're using cold adhesives or heat sensitive materials. As noted on the panel, when the roll is heating up, the light will be green. It'll change to red when the Phoenix is up to temperature and ready to use. The Phoenix also features two speeds. The Rabbit speed works with all standard materials, while the slower Turtle speed is designed to work with thicker films and materials such as 10mm films or giclée papers. Similar to the heat control, when you turn the Phoenix on, the speed is off. To turn the speed on, press the speed desired. This activates the bottom roller to turn. The Phoenix features a single control knob to easily raise and lower the roller. To view the roller, we'll raise the safety cover temporarily. To raise the roller, simply push the control knob in and turn clockwise. There are settings for all common board thicknesses. When you reach the thickness of the board you're using, the knob will pop out and lock in place. The roll will always be parallel. The Phoenix comes with a roll dispensing bar, sometimes called a supply shaft. It uses all films wound on 3-inch cores. The two chrome collars slide into the ends of the roll film and are tightened with an Allen wrench. Tension or brake is applied by the knob at the end of the bar. There is also a free spinning chrome idler bar behind the top roll, which is used for thermal films. By webbing film under the bar, it helps for smooth results and ensures efficient heat is transferred to the film. The Phoenix is a straightforward laminator which will give you years of service. It will work with all pouch boards, heat activated boards, pouch and roll films to complete signs and displays. The Phoenix laminator is affordable, professional, and easy to use.